In criminal cases in Texas, the client always has the right to make 3 decisions regardless of the attorney's advice. Of course, we advise the client in all of these situations, and clients usually follow our advice. But regardless of our advice, and the client could go against our advice or in 3 particular situations. One is whether to plead guilty or not guilty. That's the sole decision of the client. We advise the client, but the client gets to make that decision. That's their decision. And they can decide against advice to plead not guilty or to plead guilty. The second is if they waive their right to a jury trial. That's a decision that the client gets to make, and it's their decision alone. We always advise them carefully about which is best, but it's the client's decision. The third is whether they testify or exercise their right to remain silent. That's the sole decision of the client. We always carefully advise the client of which is best, but it's their decision, and they can go against our advice and testify even when we recommend that they take the fifth or not testify in their case, or that they exercise the right to remain silent, even though we advise them that we think it would be in their interest to actually testify.